Hello? Hello? Testing? Oh, okay. It's working. Well, hello, folks. Today we'll be making ramen. And to prevent it from turning into a shoe, I have invited my good friend Fish. Say hello, Fish. Alright, thank you, Fish. Fish doesn't talk. But he has chosen to share his recipe with us today. So, first, we'll need a pot. Thanks, Gary.
No problem.
And now we must fill it with water. And now I will get the ingredients. You will need noodles, meat, veggies, and chickpeas. Because chickpeas are very healthy and I like to eat them. Here you go. Okay, and now I'm going to chop up the veggies. Just move this over. Alright. Oh, perfect. Nicely diced. Oh, gonna add this into the noodles. There you go. Ah, the plate! Fish, please. Thank you, Fish. Okay, let's get tasted now. Ah! Fish, why are you sitting on the stove? Oh, wait, I forgot. You're fireproof. Okay, let's get tasting then. Wait, no, wait, Fish, no, wait, there's children watching this.